In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to clean up CSS classes in Webflow. Whether you're just starting out with Webflow or you're an experienced user looking to optimize your workflow, this guide will help streamline your project by removing unnecessary CSS classes. So let's get started. First, you need to navigate to the Webflow website. Once you're there, you'll see a prompt inviting you to sign up. Webflow offers a free plan, so click on the option saying it's free to get started without any financial commitment. You'll need to sign up using your email and create a secure password, or if you prefer, you can opt to sign in using your Google account for added convenience. Once you're signed in, you'll be heading over to a project. For this guide, let's assume you have access to Deepstapper site. Open your Webflow dashboard and choose the project you want to clean up. This will bring you to the design interface where you can manage your website's styles. Next, look for the Style Selector panel. This is a crucial step as it will show you an overview of all the CSS classes you're using in your project. Within this panel, classes styled in pink are native to Webflow, while those in blue belong to a different category, possibly custom ones you've added yourself. It's important to make sure you're aware of the differences because removing a wrong class can affect the design of your site. Go through these classes and decide which ones you no longer need. If a class isn't actively being used, or if it was part of an old design iteration, it might be a good candidate for removal. To remove a class, simply navigate to the specific class in the Style Selector. Carefully select the class you want to remove. Once you've identified it and are certain it's unnecessary, click on Remove. This action will delete the selected class from your project, helping to keep your CSS cleaner and more efficient. After you've cleaned up your CSS classes, don't forget to publish your changes. Head over to the publishing options by clicking on Publish. This ensures that all the tweaks you've made are reflected on your live website. Webflow will prompt you to select the domains you want to publish to, so choose the appropriate ones and proceed by clicking on Publish to selected domains. Finally, once the publishing is done, there'll be an option to close the dialog box. Click on Close to complete the process, and there you have it. A well-maintained and optimized Webflow project that's free from unnecessary CSS classes. Remember, keeping your classes tidy not only makes your project easier to manage, but also improves the speed and performance of your website. Thanks for watching and happy designing.